Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This is Arnau from Levocative and today we are going to build a viral giveaway funnel thanks to two triggers, the keyword and the story mention. So keep tuned and let's begin. Hello guys and welcome back to the Direct Heroes campaign builder. Today is an exciting day. I'm excited now. I'm excited today while recording this video because we're going to make maybe one of the most successful and useful funnels that we could imagine of until today, because we are going to make it. But please keep attention, keep the eye very close to the screen, because what we are going to do is a very useful technique, including the two triggers. We are going to use the two triggers today. Maybe the video is quite long because in order to try to go step by step, maybe I'm going to carry it through and make an overall. Let's see. First, we're going to start step by step and then we're going to see what's happening. But before, if you want to continue seeing those exciting videos like today, because I'm sure you that this will be fantastic, please get down to the red button below and hit subscribe. It really helps to empower us to continue making videos. So come on, let's go down to work. Enough chatting for today. So new flow and keyword. In that sense, we're going to start with the keyword, okay, putting viral give away. As you know, then we're going to hit a tag saying that viral giveaway subscribed. Oops, okay, let's put subs. And then we are going to do the welcoming message. As you know, remember the curly braces command in order to put the name of the user, okay, full name. This will help us to send the name of the user, and this is always very welcome for them because it's very customized. So hello, full name, thank you for participating in our giveaway. Now you've completed, we've completed the first step. One over. Please follow now the indications to fulfill your enrollment correctly. Okay, we are going to set a delay. As always, message delay, remember, of 10 seconds is good enough to make a good separation between the messages. So for this second step, we will need a verification. So to complete the second step, we need a confirmation email. Please provide us email in order to fulfill the second requirement. Disclaimer: remember the GDPR policy terms. As we are collecting personal data, we need to make sure that the user is accepting our GDPR policy, although we could get in trouble. So requirement, by providing us that email address, you are also agree with our GDPR policy terms. Okay, so in there, trigger, user input, as you know, the mail, the tag, which is follow through, viral giveaway, the name of the campaign, mail collect, and then a thank you message would come, okay, as usual, as a giveaway. Okay, so in that sense, thank you for your participation, your registration has been done successfully. Okay, and here boot finish a normal giveaway, right? But we mentioned before that we are going to use both triggers in that sense. So what we are going to do in that sense is to set a delay, in that case about, let's put it 4 to 6 hours. Let's put it 6 hours, okay? And then after 6 hours, we're going to say text, hey, would you rather increase your options of winning? If yes, share us on stories and mention us. This will power up your options of winning the prize. Okay, and here we are going to set a trigger, in that sense, story mention, but now there's no need of the hashtag. There's no need of introducing also a hashtag, because the trigger, the story mention trigger, is inside the campaign. We started the funnel with another trigger. We've started with the keyword. So now there's no need of this second step validation to provide the hashtag in order to activate the trigger, to activate the funnel, because we are already inside the funnel. Thus, it's easier for the users to just mention us on stories and take advantage of this power up in their options of winning the prize. So in that sense, as the user mentions us, we're going to pull a tag in that sense saying give away mention, or viral, let's see, viral giveaway mention, and then we're going to pull a message saying, hey, now could put also the command of full name. Okay, remember the curly braces. Hey, full name, we've seen your mention. Oops. We have now set you more options of winning the prize. We will hit you back on your mail in case of winning. And that would be the funnel, the viral giveaway funnel. Why? Because on one hand, we are activating the funnel through a keyword. Easy for everybody. We just do the first part of the keyword, and then after this delay it's on, remember 6 hours, okay? We are jumping on the story mention, which is going to give us that reach on the audience of our user who is participating. Now let's get down on the phone to see how it works. Remember that now for just time management, I will cut this delay to make it easier, but you have an idea. So let's jump into the phone. So just get it very quickly. We've got two screens going on. On the left side, we are seeing how this funnel is taking place, starting, while on the right side of the screen, the second screen, we are already seeing how this second approach, this second step of the funnel is going on with the story mention after the delay that, remember, that has been through 4 to 6 hours. So in the first screen, we are seeing how this funnel is taking place, being started, while on the second screen simultaneously is how this second step of powering up our participation is going on. So up to this point, just want to do a very quick summary on highlighting the main key points of the video. Remember that first we built a viral giveaway consisting in two triggers, both the keyword and the story mention. Then remember the second step of the GDPR mention and acceptance. Make very clear this disclaimer when we are asking for this second step, that is this third point, when the mail collection option with the user input. Remember that we are always that we are collecting this type of data, we need this disclaimer of the GDPR to be accepted. And last but not least, this power up winning possibilities through the story mention, which overall makes this giveaway going viral thanks to that reach. So that would be pretty much it. Hope the video was not that long, but I just want to make sure everything was very well explained and down to details. Also, thank you for having been there. Remember that you've got all the links regarding all the information on the box below, such also access to the software, the link that provides you access to the software, everything in the description down below. Also, do not forget to click that red button below and hit subscribe. It truly helps us to continue making this degree of detailed videos. And being said that, remember that we are already playing, we are game changers. That's all now, and see you on the next video.